What's up guys, it's your boy John Bartender again. Welcome back to another cocktail vlog. Hey guys, gagawa po tayo ng classic cocktail na Maitai. So I know some of you guys is familiar na po kayo sa cocktail na to kasi isa to sa mga classic and then pinaka-famous na cocktail around the world. So kung nagbabar kayo guys, lagi nyo makikita tong cocktail na to na Maitai. So for today, tuturuan kayo kung paano gumawa nito. Actually guys, napakadali niya lang gawin. At napakamura lang po ng mga ingredients. At any convenience store, 7-Eleven, mabibili nyo tong mga to. And then, tamang-tama guys, lahat malapit na yung Pasko, okay na to sa mga pang-party or mga batch cocktails. Mura pa at napakasarap pa. So yun na nga po. Just keep on watching and let's make some cocktails guys. So let's start with our lime juice. Fresh lime juice or mga bottled lime juice, pwede nyo gamitin dito guys. Next guys is pineapple juice. Pwede kayo gumamit dito ng mga powdered juice, yung tang. All goods yun guys. Orange juice guys. And then for sweetener, ang gagamitin natin dito is Grenadine Syrup. Pero kung wala kayong Grenadine Syrup, pwede kayong gumamit ng white sugar lang. White sugar syrup. Okay naman yun guys. And then tip, if gagawa kayo ng drinks or cocktails, unahin nyo po muna yung mga murang ingredients, yung mga juice, sugar, and then huliin nyo yung alcohol. Para pa nagkamali kayo sa mga cheap ingredients, at least hindi nyo pa po nalalagay yung alcohol. Tip lang po yun guys. First is white rum, 45 to 60 ml. And then dark rum guys. Ito optional lang naman to, pero kung wala kayong dark rum or gold rum, okay lang kahit wala. Kahit white rum lang guys, pwede na yun. Guys, let's put some ice. Strain our cocktail guys. And for garnish guys, is lalagyan ko siya ng orange tsaka cherry. There you go guys, classic cocktail na Maitai. Tikman natin. Napakamura, napakasarap. So yun na nga po guys. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you want to see more videos on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone and see you in the next video guys. Cheers!